Italy's move to ban AI-powered language models like GPT-3 in public administration and schools is aimed at protecting privacy and security. The decision was made after a student hacked into the school's computer system and accessed personal data, including grades, of over 5,000 students. The ban is part of Italy's broader efforts to regulate AI and ensure that it is used ethically and responsibly. The ban is not just limited to GPT-3 but also includes other language models like OpenAI's GPT-2 and Google's BERT. Some experts have raised concerns that this move could stifle innovation and limit the potential applications of AI in education and other areas. It is yet to be seen whether other countries, including the US, will follow Italy's lead and impose similar restrictions on the use of language models like GPT-3. The Italian government is not alone in its concerns over the potential misuse of AI-powered language models. Many countries, including the United States, are currently grappling with the ethical and legal implications of these technologies. One of the main concerns is the potential for these models to be used to spread fake news, disinformation, and propaganda. These models are capable of generating large amounts of text that can be difficult to distinguish from human written content. In the wrong hands, this technology could be used to manipulate public opinion and sow discord. Another concern is the potential for these models to perpetuate biases and stereotypes. Language models are trained on large datasets of text, and if these datasets are biased, the resulting models will also be biased. This could have serious consequences for marginalized communities, who may already face discrimination and prejudice. As the use of AI-powered language models becomes more widespread, it is likely that we will see more countries taking steps to regulate or ban their use. However, it is important to remember that these technologies also have the potential to do a great deal of good, particularly in areas like healthcare and education. As such, it will be important to strike a balance between protecting against potential harms and ensuring that these technologies are able to fulfill their potential to improve our lives. Italy is not alone in its efforts to regulate AI. Many countries around the world are currently grappling with how to regulate and ensure responsible use of AI. The rise of AI-powered systems has led to concerns about their potential impact on society, from bias in decision-making to job displacement. To address these concerns, governments and organizations are working on developing ethical guidelines for the use of AI. These guidelines cover a wide range of issues, from transparency in decision-making processes to ensuring that AI is not used to violate human rights. Italy's ban on the use of certain language models in public administration and schools is just one example of how governments are taking steps to regulate the use of AI. By putting limits on the use of these models, Italy is taking a proactive approach to ensure that AI is used in a responsible and ethical way. This could serve as a model for other countries looking to regulate AI in the future. In addition to banning GPT-3, the Italian government has also banned other language models that use AI technology. These include OpenAI's GPT-2 and Google's BERT, which are also widely used in various applications such as chatbots and machine translation systems. The decision to ban these models is due to concerns about their potential misuse, particularly for the spread of fake news and propaganda, as well as their potential to automate biased decision-making processes. It is important to note that these language models are not inherently bad or unethical. They are simply tools that can be used for both good and bad purposes. However, the Italian government is taking a precautionary approach by limiting their use in certain settings to prevent potential misuse. The decision to regulate and restrict the use of AI models reflects the growing concern about the potential negative impact of AI technology on society, and the need for responsible and ethical use of AI in various industries. While the ban on AI language models in Italy aims to address concerns over the potential misuse of these models, some experts have raised concerns that it could have unintended consequences. Some argue that the ban could stifle innovation and limit the potential applications of AI in education and other areas. AI language models have the potential to revolutionize education by providing personalized learning experiences and improving language translation and communication. The ban could limit the development and implementation of such technology in Italian schools and universities. Moreover, some experts argue that the ban could also harm Italy's reputation as a hub for innovation and technology development. It could discourage companies and researchers from investing in the country and hinder its progress in the field of AI. However, Supporters of the ban argue that it is necessary to ensure the responsible use of AI and protect against potential harms. The challenge will be finding a balance between the benefits of AI and the need for regulation and ethical use. The Italian government's decision to ban the use of language models like GPT-3, GPT-2, and BERT in public administration and schools has raised questions about whether other countries will follow suit. While some countries may see the benefits of such a ban, others may view it as a step back in terms of technological progress and innovation. In the United States, there has been growing concern over the misuse of AI and the potential for these models to be used for harmful purposes. However, it is unclear whether the U.S. government will implement a similar ban on language models like GPT-3. Some experts have argued that instead of an outright ban, there should be more regulation and oversight of the use of AI and language models. This could involve developing ethical guidelines and standards for the development and use of these models, as well as increased transparency and accountability for their creators and users. Ultimately, the decision to ban or regulate the use of language models like GPT-3 will depend on a variety of factors, including concerns over misuse, the potential benefits and drawbacks of these models, and the views of policymakers and the public on the role of AI in society.